Kelly's first hiccups on her birthday. Happy birthday, sweet girl. 12-7-12, you did so good. You just ate like a champ. Now you're snuggling up. Such a tiny, sweet thing. Mama loves you, honey.